Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of the timetable making video I shared earlier. So, in the previous video, we saw how you can generate timetable, but in this video, we'll see how you can edit the styles of how the timetable will look like, increase this font size, etc. So, if I click on the design, it brings up this window where you have different designs. Like if I see it, if I apply this design to this class, you can see how it looks like. And then other different designs, if I apply it like this, and then many others. But if you want to edit a style, I'll just edit this one. I apply all classes, and then this style, we need to click edit, and then okay, you can see that this is in edit mode now. So if I double click anything, it will bring up that thing like this University of Education at a campus. What should be the font of this? Bold. What should be the font size? You can increase from here and then click OK. And then you can see many different other things over here. What should be its position? Okay. Oh, you see how big it has grown. So I'll just bring its font back. It was, I think, somewhere 5 point something. Okay. And now if you double click this or this, you can change the duration, and similarly you can change different other fonts. Like if I want to change these fonts, 1 2 3 timetable, the classes and their time, I right click on it, and timetable settings, you can say font of time should be Arial. Let's say it's bold and increase its size a little bit. Okay, font of section, bell times, time format. Okay, so it has gone bold, but I need to make it more bigger. Instead of 22, let's do 32. Okay. Now you see it's much better and readable. Similarly, if we click over here and go to the settings, now you can see that the subject and the teacher, all the things. So teacher font, we want to make the size a little bigger. You can see the preview over here. All right, this is better. And then course, in groups, room, if you want to print room numbers, you can set fonts. So all these styles can be changed from here. If I click OK, you can see that the teachers for all the normal classes, their font is increased, but for the group classes it's not, because I did not change for the group classes. So if you change it for the group classes, you can do it as well. And if we want to move anything like position of this, you can also do that. And after all that, if you click design again, it will ask you to save changes to this design. I don't want to save changes to this design itself. Instead, I want to save it as a new style. So I clicked no while saving changes, and I will save it as a new style. If I click save changes, it will save that style and override the previous one. So I'll just want to make it a new style, test style. Okay. And now it is saved as a new style. You can see that test style is here. Similarly, you can make as many different styles as you want, and you have to make it differently for the classroom and for the teacher as well. So if I click on timetable for each teacher. I go to this style and let's say go to test style, apply to all teachers. Now I can edit the test style for teacher as well. So if teacher timetable is in front and I edit this style, it will be open for teacher's timetable. Similarly, for summary and other timetables, you have, if you want to add all these different styles in one style, just edit it for all and keep saving it. Then you will have all the different timetable styles saved in your own custom style. That's how you can edit the styles and make your timetable look much better. And I hope you would have liked this. If you have any question that I can answer, post it in the comment section and I'll try to reach you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. You may explore the channel for other different useful videos related to computer problems and different software like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, EndNote, and all these different software that are necessary, especially for academics. They're all available on the channel in different playlists. You can go and explore them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.